Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password in Zoho Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change the password in Zoho Mail, you just simply have to open your Zoho Mail application. Now, after entering into the application, you just simply have to tap on the profile icon on the right side. From there, you can go to the My Account section. Now, after going into the My Account section, you just simply have to click on this shield icon here. From there, you will get the option to change the password. Click on the Change Password button. Now, you just simply have to enter your current password into the uppermost box, and the new password into the second box. Similarly, repeat this new password into the last box, and click to change password. After doing that, your account's password will successfully be changed. You can terminate all the browser sessions from here and terminate desktop and mobile sections by ticking this box here. After doing that, click to continue. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your password in Zoho Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.